how to buy owner financed, low money down, no prepayment penalty land on LandLimited.com. We're going to go over some of our new listings that we have for sale. So we're going to go over to sort recommended. Let's do the newest. So we have a couple new properties up. They happen to be on sale. As you can see here, we do run sales for a limited time. So this particular sale for this beautiful Lassen County flat 20-acre property ends in 3 days and 9 hours. There's a $1 down payment. That is the lowest monthly that is available. Here is the property ID and a brief description of the listing. Now, if you click on the picture itself or anything on the tile, it will bring up the entire listing. You can cycle through. Some listings have videos, I'm sorry, just a quick little video of the property. And then we have pictures of the actual property. Now, this is a very primitive road, but it is a legal access point to the property. It's a deeded access via dirt road. So all these pictures were taken on the actual parcel itself, as you can see. Now we have a satellite overview of the lot, as well as a plat map. Now, if you go back to the listing itself, you'll see there's two different ways to buy the property. There's finance or pay in full. We offer a discount for cash sales. It's built right there into the system. Now here, this is the minimum down payment that's allowed on the lot. You can pay above and beyond that if you'd like. It will change your monthly payment amount. Right here are your loan terms, 20, 10, 4, 2. So you can play with the payment calculator and it will update that for you. Now, if you go down to taxes and dues billed, you have the option of including that in your monthly payment or having it billed yearly. If you include it in your monthly payment, the first year, those are prorated. The next year, 2027, it will change your monthly payment just a little bit because you're going to be paying the entire year of taxes and dues versus a prorated amount for the current year. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a brief description about the property. This particular one is 20 acres, about an hour from Susanville and 2 hours from Reno. It tells about what the area has for you, such as Lassen Volcanic National Park, highly recommend, not very crowded. Also, if there's an HOA or anything like that. We have usage tiles. Now, these are just general guidelines. You can put a mobile out there, for example. Some nearby activities and utilities, if any. Now below, we have conveniently placed a Google map. There's also a GPS for you. Now, if you'd like to go see any of these properties, just plug that GPS into Google Maps and you can go out and see any property whenever you like. Now down below, we have more additional details such as property ID, account number, acreage, the county, the state, road access, the assessor's parcel number, and taxes. And even further below, we have the plat maps for you as well. Now, when you go to purchase a property, you just click buy this property once you select your finance terms. It will run you through some information that we collect. Now, keep in mind, we do not report to credit agencies. Things such as occupation and employer are for marketing purposes only. Everything with a red asterisk is required. Then you just click proceed to payment, make your payment, choose your payment date as well on the next screen. Oh, very important, you can add co-buyers to the account. Now, every co-buyer will need to sign the contract as well, and then they are also provided with their own login so they can make payments if they so wish. Now, once you click proceed to payment, it will ask you for your credit card information, debit card, or crypto. You enter that information into our secured portal. That then generates an e-contract for you to digitally sign. You always have access to that contract in your online portal. And that is it. So go check out LandLimited.com. We have plenty of properties for you. And we also have things like blogs, FAQs, where you can kind of check out what's going on here. website navigation if you have any questions about that. Or if you want to just see some of our blogs, we are constantly posting blogs for your information. Also, if you'd ever like to submit a question, it is very easy to do. You can either do it directly from a listing by just going here and ask a question. Enter your name, your email, and your phone number, and I will contact you about your property. So head over to landlimited.com, check out some of our newest inventory. That California lot is a very popular area. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out.